Hi guys, this is my mom's phone. It's a 10 or something. I don't know. And here's my brother over here. You're gonna see him right here, opening his eyes. Now, move on with my dad, and this is my mom. Mom. Hello. How about Daddy? Back? Oh, okay. Kidding. It's my mom. It's iPhone 10. Yeah. It's an old phone for my mom. It costs $50. Yeah, I don't know. Or maybe $100. Or like $6 or $7. No, $100.